Marty Coleman here, J24 Midwinters, and this is race number 5, second race on Saturday. So let's take a look at the data. Okay, so this race, Malacone got a second, Travis 4, Tony 5, Rossi, I don't have his data today, Robbie, and then Habanero, Mental Floss, Long Shot. All right, well, let's take a look at this race. Okay. All right. We had one Jenna recall, so this is a second. Everybody's piled up down at the boat end. So we'll see how this one pans out here. So first race today, really the right kind of came out and helped. Got far enough right, it really paid. All right, so what do we got? Probably a minute, coming up on a minute now. Long shot really close to the line. Got about 40 seconds here. Coming up on 20 seconds. 20. 15. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Go. So what do we have here? We have Travis at 6 knots, Longshot at 5, Mental at 4, Banger at 3.78, and 5.5, and 3.57. So Habanero are going pretty fast here. So let's see how this pans out for the first 15 seconds. Obviously, Travis at 6 knots, just crushing it. Okay, so we look up the track here. What do we see? Maybe a little bit of the same thing. Right being pretty strong here. Who did we say did really well in this one was Malcolm. So let's watch those guys, see what they're doing. So there's right here, HH going off to the right. Honey out on the far left. Look like they're pretty strong right now. But let's see what happens up here at the top half. A little bit of fade right there. You can see it. Again, just hard to get out of the left. I think that's the pattern you had to look for. Even though it looked good, just hard to get out of the left. And they'll still do all right here, I think. Well, that actually looks pretty strong, doesn't it? Top of the management here looks pretty important. Let's slow this down here a little bit. These guys definitely overstood. good bit here. Not bad though when you can go fast. Oh, let me slow this down. They're just barely making it around. Like somebody did some circles here. Bloop, bloop. Both long shot and doing a pretty far behind there. So it looks like Travis was able to get out of the left and make that work. So let's see how the next beat looks. Look upwind here. Tim just goes all the way straight over there. Let's see how Honey Badger does. Angel goes off far. Mental goes all the way over. Let's see if they can make some gains over there at all. Not really. Looks like Mental's Velocitech got a little wonky there. Lost a few data points. All right. There you go. Race number 5.